Hi friends, my name is Kunal Suryanshi. Today in this video we are going to see how to extract text from PDF files and add the relevant data to the Excel file and save it. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do, we will see how to extract text from a PDF file, and from the extracted text of PDF, how to get the relevant data using Regex and add the data to a Excel file. So I have created a workflow over here. In this, you can see, first of all, I have used a path exist. If the folder exists, okay, let me show you the variable over here. You can see there is a path given that invoices folder path is given, okay, to the path exist. This will return a boolean, which is boolean path exist bool path exist, which will be true or false. Okay, once it is true, then only it will enter the then. Okay, so once it is in the then part of this, if path exists, then over here I have created a data table. So first of all, I'll show you what is the input. Invoices. Okay, so these are the invoices. This is the invoices folder in which there are multiple PDF files. Okay. From this PDF, we want to extract the invoice number, and second is the total amount. Okay. These two things we require. Okay. So we are extracting by our automation the invoice number and total amount of this invoice and adding it to the Excel. Okay. So all these PDF files, invoice numbers, and total amount will be added to a Excel file. Okay. So how it is done? Let me show you. So over here, first of all, it goes to the folder. It takes all the folder files into a files array, which is an array of string. Let me show you from the variables again. Files is the array of string in which all the files name will come, okay, with their path as well. Okay, so for each item, the list of item, we took a for each loop in which files is the list of item, and here is the current item. So current item will be a particular file. Okay, so to read a PDF text, we have an activity called read PDF text. So for getting this activity in the activity panel, by default it won't be there in the activity panel. PDF activities will not be there. So you will have to go to manage package first, and you can see over here uipath.pdf.activities by uipath. This is needed to be installed, okay, and save it. Then you can see these activities added to your activity panel. Okay. Once this is added, you can use this read PDF text activity in which we have passed the current item. which is nothing but the file name, okay, which we want to read. For example, over here it will be this file name, invoice number 60. Okay, so over here we have used matches. So we want to extract a PDF, extract text. Text we have got into this variable str PDF data. So all text part in the PDF we have get into a variable. Okay. So say you can see these all is everything. This is all text. Okay. See, all this selection is text format. So all this text is into one variable now, which is nothing but str PDF data. And from this str PDF data, we want to extract the invoice number. So you can see over here, we have used a pattern, which is nothing but a regex, which we have to mention over here. So this is the regex to extract the invoice number. So let me tell you how to extract a regex, how to make regex for our input. You can go to there is a site called Regex 101. Okay, I usually make regex over here only. So for that, you will have to first enter the text which you have to identify by using the regex. Okay, see, copy it, paste it into text string, and from here you can create the regex. I have created it by this method, by doing this way only. Okay, I usually do by this way only. You can see A to Z star. Star means n number of time. Let it be invoice, let it be I and B, let it be only I. It will capture it. Okay. So over here there is digits, there is a hyphen in between, and here again it is a dash. So all these regex is created to extract the invoice number. So it extracts the invoice number and add it to a variable named found invoice numbers. Found invoice numbers will be a collection of invoice numbers. Okay. This is a enumerable. You can see from result, it returns a enumerable. Okay. Which is a collection of matches found. So from that, you have to create a regex so that it will get only one match found. Okay. So once it is found, you can see here I have added a log over here, which will show the first of it. Okay. The same way we have to extract the total. In the same manner, I have created a regex for total as well. And total is also displayed into the log message. Once it is done, see over here at the top, we have created a data table. So in data table, we have added two fields, invoice number and total. Okay. Invoice number and totals are there. So we have to add a data row to the to that data table. So these will be added by using add data row activity. By using add data row activity, we have to enter over here. First field, first our field is invoice number and second is total. Okay. From total, the regex which I had created was getting the total name as well. Okay, let me show you over here. It was getting this much. Okay, so after getting this full text, it is replacing this space and total. Okay, space and total by blank. Okay, by null. So it is replaced and added to the data table, which is DT PDF table. Once, so this is, and this is in a, and these all things are in a for each loop. Okay, show you that also over here. You can see it is inside a for each loop. Okay, so for each files, the two fields will be extracted and added to a data table, and that data table will be right range to a Excel file, which is nothing but a output.xlsx. Its name is output.xlsx. First of all, before writing to that file, we'll check whether there is data or not into the data table. Okay, then only we'll write, else nothing. Okay, we can put over here log as well. Okay, that no data found, like that. No data found from PDF files. So we'll have to put double quotes. Okay, save it. So now I'll show you by running it. First of all, I delete the previously created output file. Okay, this is deleted, and now I can run it again so that it will create a fresh output file now. Okay, I'll start. Okay, okay, the code has completed its execution. You can see from the output itself, over here, output. Okay, from the output itself, it has found, it is reading this file name, and it has found invoice. Okay, and its amount also. And again, it's reading this file and its invoice and amount. So in this way, you can get from logs as well whether the execution has completed every transaction or not, whether it has got stuck in particular file at a particular point or not. You can see from logs as well. Okay. So now we'll check the output file. In output file is in our project folder itself. Okay. So in project folder, the output file is created. I'm opening it. You can see what are the columns. Columns are invoice number, total, and this is total. And what is this? This is invoice numbers. So in this way, we can extract text values from PDFs and add it to a Excel file. For multiple PDF files, we can extract the text and add it to an Excel file. Okay. So in next video, I am going to show you how to extract image from a PDF file. Okay. You can see over here, we'll see all these activities. Okay. Extract image from PDF, extract PDF page range. We'll see everything regarding PDF. Okay. Thank you for now.